Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage couches and inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage couches and inspired home decor is a soft, nostalgic interior style that blends the charm of old countryside cottages with delicate vintage details. It creates a warm, lived-in feeling, like a peaceful rural home, filled with history, comfort, and gentle beauty. The essence of vintage cottage style. This style is all about comfort, simplicity, and timeless charm. It feels relaxed and imperfect, in a beautiful way. Think of soft sunlight through lace curtains, own wooden furniture, and little treasures collected over time. Vintage cottage decor is not about perfection, it is about emotion and memory. It feels calm and comforting, romantic and nostalgic, soft, quiet, and deeply personal. It is like living inside a gentle story from the past. A real vintage cottage does not feel like separate rooms, it feels like a continuous emotional journey. Colors gently repeat from room to room. Materials use wood, linen, and lace for stay consistent. The mood flows without sudden contrast. When moving through the home, nothing should feel out of place or abrupt. Rhythm and repetition, designer's secret. Great cottage interiors use visual rhythm. Repeat a color like shades green in cushions, curtains, and plants. Repeat shapes like curved furniture or round vases. Repeat materials like wood tones across rooms. This creates harmony without needing perfect matching. Windows as living paintings. In vintage cottage decor, windows are not just functional, they are focal points. Style them with shade or lace curtains, small plants or flower jars, minimal obstructions to light. Think of each window as a frame for nature. Walls that tell quiet stories. Walls in this style are never loud but never empty. Option: small gallery walls with mismatched frames, hanging plates or handmade crafts, softly textured paints or slightly etched finishes. Walls should feel collected over time, not decorated in one day. The cottage kitchen philosophy. The kitchen is the heart of vintage cottage living. Key idea: everyday items become decor. Use plates, jars, cups are displayed openly. Use wooden spoons, baskets, and cloths are visible. Nothing is overly hidden or too perfect. It feels functional, warm, lived in, and welcoming. The bedroom, softness above all. A vintage cottage bedroom is about rest and calm. Use layered bedding, like quilts and soft pillows, gentle colors and minimal contrast. Use light, breathable fabrics. Nothing should feel heavy or overwhelming, only peaceful. The evening transformation, a beautiful detail many miss. A true cottage changes from day to night. Day, light, airy, and sound-filled. Evening, warm, dim, and candlelit. And lamps instead of ceiling lights, candles for soft glow. This creates a second personality of the home. Balance between beauty and use. All mistake people make. Make it too decorative. Real vintage cottage homes are used daily, slightly messy in a natural way, comfortable above all. If something looks beautiful but is not usable, it does not belong. The highest level of vintage cottage decor is this: it should feel like it evolved, not designed it. It is collected slowly, layers added over time. Nothing feels rushed or forced. That is how it keeps it depth, authenticity, and soul. And its best. Vintage cottage decor feels like a quiet morning with sunlight and tea, a gentle memory you can live inside, a home that doesn't try to impress but softly welcomes. The collected over time illusion. A true vintage cottage never looks like it was decorated in one day. Create this effect by mixing different eras like old plus slightly newer pieces, combining handmade plus antique plus simple everyday items, avoiding matching sets completely. The goal is a home that feels gently accumulated over years. Microcolor layering. Instead of obvious color contrast, cottage style uses tiny variations, 4 to 5 shades of the same color family like cream, beige, or soft brown. Very soft transition between tones. Almost no harsh color breaks. This creates a calm, blended, dreamy atmosphere. Weight balance in a room. Every object has visual weight, heavy or light. To balance a room, pair a heavy wooden pit with lighter fabrics or empty space. Don't cluster all large items in one area. Let the eye move comfortably around the room. This keeps the space cozy, not crowded. Fabrics should feel like they have lived a life. Mix small florals plus subtle stripes plus plain linen, slightly faded or washed texture. Different fabric suites like light plus medium plus soft thick. The mix should feel natural, not perfectly coordinated. Reflection and soft shine. Vintage cottage is not dull. It has gentle glow. Antique mirrors reflecting soft light. Brass, copper, or glass adding subtle shine. Sunlight bounding softly around the room. Shine should be muted, never glossy or modern. The slightly undone rule. Perfection breaks the charm. Add a touch of undone, a slightly wrinkled blanket. Books not perfectly arranged. A chair gently angled, not straight. This creates a lived-in, real feeling. Time of day styling, pro level secret. Design your home for different moments of a day. Morning, light fabrics, fresh air, and soft sunlight. For afternoon, use calm corners and reading spaces. For evening, use warm lights, candles, and deeper coziness. For night, minimal light and peaceful softness. Your home becomes a daily experience, not just aesthetic design. Common mistakes to avoid. Even beautiful items can go wrong if everything is too wide, feels cold, not cozy. Too many decorations become cluttered. Too perfect, loses authenticity. Too modern items breaks the vintage mood. Balance is everything. At the highest level, vintage cottage decor is not about objects, it is about atmosphere design. You are creating a space that feels gently aged by time, a home that invites solo, meaningful living, a quiet world where every corner has a soul. If done right, your space will feel like a memory you didn't know you had, a peaceful story you can step into, a home that softly whispers, "You belong here." The storytelling approach to decorating. In vintage cottage decor, every space should feel like it holds the story. Instead of asking, "What looks good?" ask, "Who lived here? What memories exist in this space? What emotion does this corner create?" For example, a stack of old books plus teacup equal quiet afternoon story. A wooden chair near a window equal peaceful silhouette. A faded photo frame equal memory and history. This mindset transforms decorating into emotional design. Creating quiet corners, signature cottage elements. Vintage cottage homes are not just rooms, they are made of little peaceful corners, ideas, a reading nook with a soft chair and blanket, a tea corner with a tray, cup, and flowers, a window seat with cushions and sunlight. These corners feel intimate and personal. Invite solo, mindful living. Make the home feel alive and loved. Lighting, the hidden magic. Lighting defines the mood more than furniture. Vintage cottage lighting is soft and warm, never harsh. Often indirect lamps, candles, and fairy lights inspired by natural light, like sunrise, sunset glow, golden rule. If the light feels too bright or cold, it breaks the cottage feeling. The role of scent and atmosphere, often ignored. True vintage cottage style changes all senses, not just sight. Add floral scents like rose, lavender, and jasmine. Natural smells, oud, herbs, and fresh air. Light, incense, or candles. This makes the space feel more real, more comforting, almost like stepping into a memory. Handmade and solo craft influence. Handmade items are the heart of this style. Think crochet blankets, embroidery hoops, hand sewn cushions, and handmade pottery. These pieces add soul and uniqueness. Break the mass product feeling. Connect you emotionally to your space. Nature as a living element. Nature is not decoration, it is part of the home. Use wild flowers in simple jars, branches, leaves, or herbs, small indoor plants. Nothing should feel overly arranged. Slight randomness, equal natural beauty. Advanced styling secret, designer level insight. Here is something many people miss. Leave space for breathing. Even though cottage style is layered, not every corner should be filled. Some empty space creates calm and balance. This contrast between full and empty makes the home feel peaceful, not cluttered. Vintage cottage decor is not about copying trends. It is about creating a home that feels lived in, not spaced. A space that holds emotion, memory, and softness. Also a lifestyle that celebrates solo and simple beauty. The quiet luxury of simplicity. Vintage cottage is not about filling space, it is about choosing meaningful pieces. Fewer items but each with character. Soft, understand beauty instead of bold statement. Calm over attention. True charm comes from restraint, not excess. Emotional contrast. The secret depth. A beautiful cottage has gentle contrast. Light vs shadow, rough vs soft, old vs slightly new. Example: a rough wooden table plus soft lace cloth. Also a dim corner with use of warm glowing lamp. Contrast creates emotional depth, not visual noise. Forming everyday life. In this style, even ordinary moments are styled naturally. A teacup near sunlight, a book left open on a chair, flowers casually placed in a jar. This creates living senses, like still life paintings. Sound and silence, atmosphere layer. This is rarely talked about but powerful. A vintage cottage feels quiet, soft sound like wind, birds, and light movement. No harsh noise or visual chaos. Calm and peaceful energy. The design supports mental rest, not stimulation. Anchoring the room, focal emotion. Every room should have a gentle anchor. A cozy chair by the window, a bed layered with soft textiles, a small table with meaningful objects. This gives the room a center of emotion, not just layout. The lived-in rhythm. A perfect-looking room often feels empty. Instead, let daily use items remain visible, allow sight, natural disorder. Keep things comfortable and usable. The home should feel lived in, not displayed. Cultural and local touch. Make it yours. To make it truly unique, especially in your region. Use local materials like clay pots, oven baskets, or handmade fabrics. Add traditional touches in a soft, subtle way. Blend your culture with cottage softness. This creates a peaceful and authentic identity, not a copy the style. At its highest level, vintage cottage decor becomes a feeling you design, not a style you copy. It is about slowing down life, honoring small, beautiful moments, creating a home that feels like a gentle memory. When everything comes together, your space feels like morning light resting quietly on old wood, a soft breeze moving through lace curtains, a home that does not try to impress but quietly comforts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.